As leaders in marine propulsion innovation, Cummins Mercruiser Diesel and Mercury Marine are proud to introduce the world's most advanced marine propulsion system. Combining almost 15 years of testing and research, it delivers a level of performance, safety, and vessel control unparalleled in the industry. For decades, pod drives have been used in commercial applications to increase efficiency and maneuverability. The full thrust from each pod can be directed independently to achieve much greater efficiency in maneuvering. Pod drives create horizontal thrust, so the full power of the engines is utilized to drive the boat forward. The hydrodynamic shape of a pod creates much less drag than a shaft, strut, and rudder. Counter-rotating propellers eliminate rotational losses and minimize cavitation. We are proud to say our pod system performs impressively. Faster top speed, faster cruise speed, and dramatically improved fuel economy. And when more power is the goal, no other recreational pod system comes close. Our pod drive is available with uniquely tuned Quantum Series engines, up to 500 horsepower. Pod drives have proven to deliver impressive performance with both forward-facing and rear-facing propellers. But which is better? Forward-facing propellers are exposed to undisturbed water, which can improve efficiency. However, they increase form drag, which is created by friction from water flowing across the pod. Form drag results in the efficiency of both configurations being nearly identical. When choosing between forward-facing and rear-facing propellers, safety becomes the deciding factor. In the event that a pod drive strikes debris or runs aground, forward-facing propellers are completely exposed, whereas rear-facing propellers are protected by the pod gear case and skeg. Additionally, by mounting the pod drive in a tunnel, the torpedo on the drive is the same depth as the keel. Most objects will be deflected downwards by the keel and skeg, away from the propellers. And should the pod come into contact with a substantial object, the skeg is designed to shear below the torpedo, minimizing damage to the drive and costly repairs. By offering a rear-facing pod drive mounted in a tunnel, we have developed tremendous efficiency improvement without sacrificing safety. With the foundation of the already quiet and clean-running Quantum engines, Cummins Mercruiser Diesel is making boating even more pleasurable. Because our pod is mounted on a large rubber grommet and utilizes counter-rotating propellers, noise and vibration are significantly reduced for a quiet and comfortable ride. Already low engine exhaust is nearly eliminated by venting the emission through the propeller hubs where the water flow takes them far back into the wake. Get performance more like a luxury sports car than the typical yacht. Each pod turns independently, resulting in much greater turning efficiency and responsiveness. Reliable responsive hydraulic power steers the pods and actuates the integrated trim tabs. Trim tabs are automated to improve performance and visibility during acceleration. Counter-rotating propellers eliminate lateral forces, yielding completely straight tracking. And at the helm, a self-centering wheel, customizable steering response, and a power tilt wheel with two-person, two-position memory give a whole new meaning to the word cruise. Never worry again about wind and current when you approach the dock. Our advanced joystick control system is incredibly intuitive and can be operated with a simple turn of the wrist. One hand controls it all, from sideways tracking to spinning on a dime, to precise speed control. Whether at the dock or backing down on a blue marlin, the total authority and maneuverability is simply unmatched. Envision having the ability to pull up to a busy fuel dock and ready your fenders and lines by yourself, without having to constantly tend to your controls to stay in place. Or imagine fishing a jetty by yourself, without ever stepping to the helm. With the touch of a button, our station-keeping feature maintains your vessel on a fixed heading within a tight area, even in strong currents and windy conditions. With SmartCraft connectivity throughout the vessel, you have the ability to monitor and control a wide array of systems, from engine performance to generators, AC to navigation, even music to movies. Never before has this level of integration been available to the recreational boater. As a complete package with integrated exhaust, engine and accessories water system, trim tabs, steering, throttle and shift controls, our pod drive requires significantly less time to install than conventional inboards or comparable pod systems. Additionally, all materials in contact with seawater are either bronze or stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance. Today, Cummins Mercruiser Diesel and Mercury Marine are proud to offer an unparalleled level of performance, safety, and vessel systems control.